Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be fine. Coming to our lecture, our today's lecture is the continuation of the previous lecture. In the previous lecture we have explained the poem. Now we will solve the exercise of this poem. First we will do a stanza wise paraphrasing and then question answer of the poem, and in the last the denotative and connotative meaning of the assigned words on the top of page 81 of your book. Before going to the paraphrasing of each stanza, first of all we have to know that what is paraphrasing. So paraphrasing is the rewriting the poet's words or ideas in your own words without altering the meaning. A stanza takes shapes of prose. In simple words, we can say that the conversion of poetry into prose, or we can say that stanza into paragraph is called paraphrasing. Now stanza wise paraphrasing. Stanza 1. Read the paraphrasing carefully and note it in your own notebooks. Stanza 2. Stanza 3. Now coming to the question answer of this poem. Question 1. Question 1 asks the implicit and explicit meaning of the poem. First understand the meaning of explicit and implicit. Implicit mean hidden or in-depth meaning of the poem, or we can say simply the message of the poem. And explicit mean the surface meaning, or just we can say that the translation or general meaning of the poem. Explanation is given in the answer. In question 2 we asked about the theme of the poem. So as we know that theme is the central idea or main idea of the poem, or simply we can say that the message the writer wants to convey is called theme. So the theme of this poem is hope, and further explanation is given in the question. In the question 3 we are asked about the bird in the poem, that how that bird reacts to the hardships. So the explanation is given in the answer. In question 4 we are asked that how hope and the thing with feathers are similar, and what does the poem reveal about the hope. So there are two parts of this question, therefore it is a bit longer. The first part is about the personification as we have read, and the second part is also what we call the message of the poem. It is easy. The question 5 is the translation of the line from the poem. It is an easy question. Question 6 is a subjective question. Do you like the poem? Why? So if you yes, then you will justify your argument, and if you don't like the poem, so also you will justify it and provide your own justification from each answer you give. Question 7. It is a general question, so the answer is also given. Read it and understand it and write it in your own notebooks. Coming to the denotative and connotative meaning, or denotation and connotation. So denotation simply mean the literal or dictionary meaning of a word. It is the exact or proper meaning of a word. Connotative mean it is the additional meaning a word or phrase have beyond its original meaning. Connotation is the emotional association which is personal or communal, which are suggested by or are part of the meaning of a linguistic unit. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि डिनोटेशन जो है ये एक वर्ड का एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग होता है जो डिक्शनरी में गिवन होता है, और जो कनोटेशन है या कनोटेटिव मीनिंग है ये एक वर्ड जब माशरे में दूसरे माने हासिल करता है तो उसे हम इंग्लिश में कनोटेशन कहते हैं। पल हर्ट गिवन है, जो हर्ट है इसका एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग जो इसका मीनिंग है और है पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी विच पम्प्स ब्लड टू द बॉडी, जो हमारे बॉडी में पंपिंग करता है, ब्लड को एवरी पार्ट तक पंप करता है। ये तो इसका डिक्शनरी मीनिंग हुआ। इसका कनोटेशन क्या है? हार्ट जो है हम इसे लव का एक निशान समझते हैं, अफेक्शन का निशान समझते हैं, डिवोशन का, काइंडनेस का। तो ये इस वर्ड हार्ट ने ये मीनिंग जो है ये सोसाइटी में हासिल की है अपने ओरिजिनल मीनिंग के सिवा। इस तरह वर्ड्स हाउस और होम है, दोनों का डिक्शनरी मीनिंग सेम है, एक लिविंग रहने की जगह, बट द connotation of both these words is different। जस्ट लाइक होम जो है और हम उस घर को कहते हैं जो हमारा अपना होता है, जहाँ हम सुकून महसूस करते हैं, जहाँ हमारा दिल खुश होता है। और हाउस जो है वो एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, एक बिल्डिंग होता है, इसमें हम ना सुकून फील कर सकते हैं ना खुशी। सो द sign words are shown on the screen. Read it and write it in your own notebooks. Thank you for listening and watching my videos.